Hi, this is UFO sightings footage. Now, going through some older stuff that has happened at CERN, maybe this one actually got past you without you knowing. Because a scientific setback, a group of wild pigs keeps digging up the Large Hadron Collider, and this is from 16th of September 2006. So it's only a couple of months back, just a few months back. So this might have got one past you because I've not seen anything about this other than this. Basically, the pigs, like an army, descended on CERN, or did so, descend on CERN and started digging it up. Personally, I think he was doing it to stop them from creating black holes and big bangs, but that's my own opinion. 4 years ago, the scientists at CERN at their Large Hadron Collider had a fantastic first run that resulted in the discovery of a long sought after Higgs boson particle. Now it's the Higgs boson particle, but now all major scientific breakthroughs have been put on hold until CERN could figure out how to get a group of wild pigs to stop digging up the 17-mile long LHC. Now the sad thing about this is that what they had to do was they had to go out and shoot a ton of them. That's the sad thing, you know. Nothing works for long. They just kept coming back. I don't know. It just screams to me that the pigs just, wanted them to stop. Nothing works for long. That's weird, that. You know. If you could fast forward a little bit to now, with this ULO that's been found in the tubes, which was clean beforehand. There was nothing in the tubes, in the vacuum, but then they poked holes into the dimensions and brought back another entity, a demon entity, because it can be nothing else but a demon entity. It cannot be good, because it just cannot be. The CERN had barely warmed up the Large Hadron Collider for its second official run before scientists became aware of a massive malfunction. Engineers who made their way through the underground tunnels to fix the faulty area were shocked to discover sunlight streaming in from a 300-foot hole with a handful of wild pigs rooting around the 28-foot wide steel tube they had just dug up. Now, unless they're trying to eat the Large Hadron Collider, unless they're trying to eat it, I don't know why they was doing it. They're not looking for worms and potatoes or insects and whatnot, because they assaulted all of it. All of it. There. Virtually every part of the facility was infiltrated by the pigs. They caused millions and millions of dollars worth of damage. I don't know. I think the pigs are trying to let them know something's not wrong. And that thing that's not wrong is that they're trying to kill everybody under the guise of a scientific breakthrough or a scientific experiment, which we all know is, to put it bluntly, BS. They're some would say they're trying to open a dimension to let aliens that have landed on the Earth get back to their dimension. Some would say that they're trying to bring through Satan and the demons, especially with the sacrifices that they've been doing and the satanic rituals that they've been doing at the Gotthard Tunnel and things like that. Who knows what they're doing? Who really knows? Because the professional spokesmen that they use are professional spokespeople. They get paid to tell lies. So who knows? You know, the actual definition of a conspiracy theorist. Now, don't ever be ashamed to be called a conspiracy theorist, because the actual definition of a conspiracy theorist is someone who questions the statements of known liars. That's all you are. You just question statements given by known liars. That's what a conspiracy theorist is. That's the absolute definition in my book. And my book don't lie. These pigs was doing us a favour. They was doing us a solid. They was trying to stop them. Back in September 2016. These piggies was doing us a solid. So, yeah, for that I might stop eating bacon. I just love it though, it's nice. But to hear that they was going out and just shooting them at random just because they was doing damage to this, they could have just put up, you know, we've put up fences. It almost seems like they didn't even try, because I could put up a fence and stop any pig getting through. But then again, they are burrowing machines. What? Nothing works for long. They even tried to put down wolf urine to scare them off, but they just kept coming. It's almost as if everybody's fears around the world of what CERN's doing has manifested into these pigs, and the pigs are working on our behalf. Because yeah, I do fear what CERN's doing, and so should you. They're recreating black holes and recreating big bangs, and all it takes is for a pig to come along, accidentally bite her through wires, they lose control, and this Earth gets imploded. God knows where. Another dimension. Hell, who knows? Who knows? Where does a black hole go? I don't know. Well, I know where the Big Bang goes. Goes sky high. So, again, this is another red flag of what they're doing at saying they have not got a control of what they're doing. Because, in their words, nothing works. So that's in their own words. Nothing works. So why should we allow them to continue with doing experiments that are clearly dangerous if they can't even get a grip on pigs digging it up? I mean, it's a 300-foot hole. 300-foot hole that these pigs have done. Don't they have security? How the hell, in hell, how the hell did pigs dig up a 300-foot hole? That must have took a long time. 300 foot, that's very deep. And to have dug virtually every part of CERN. I mean, come on, what's going on? The security is a laugh. It's a joke. The security guard there, he should be sacked. Or they should be sacked. Yes, I'm calling for the resignation of these, because this LHC is too important to go wrong. I'm not saying it's important we should keep it. Totally different. It's too important to go wrong. If they're going to do it, they should do it safe. Very safe. I mean, pigs dig it up, and what if there was halfway through a black hole experiment and a pig went chomp chomp on a wire and we went bye bye? Who knows? It's already happened. With the Mandela effect. Who knows? Things have changed in the past, so we could be living in a different reality. If the Earth did implode and we ended up in a different reality, would we even know? I don't know. It's just crazy. And every time they turn saying on, something weird happens anyways. So yeah, good on you, pigs. Keep doing it. You have my full support. If you need reinforcements, give us a ring. 0800 bacon sandwich.